With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us start with our question. In this question, it is given that there are three identical blocks, each of mass capital M, are along this frictionless table, and the force F is acting as shown in the figure. We need to find the false statement. Okay, we need to find which of the statement is the false statement. Now in this situation, since there is no external force except this force in the horizontal direction, okay, so there would be a gravitational force, but we are saying about the horizontal direction. There is no friction. So we say that what would be the value of the acceleration? So it would just move in the horizontal direction. So the acceleration in the x direction, this would be equals to the net force F net in the x direction divided by total mass. Why total mass? Because they would be having the same acceleration. This, they would be moving together. So the net force is in the horizontal direction is just F divided by what is the mass of the system. It is equals to 3m. Okay, now this is the thing which we have written here. Now, why we are doing this? Because in each of the expression, it is asking for the vertical force, either force or about the acceleration. Now, first of all, now comes to our option. Now, the net vertical force on the block A is 0. We need to find this. Or net force on the block A is F by 3. Acceleration of C is 4F divided by 3m. And force of interaction between A and B is F divided by 3. Now, first of all, we just draw the FPD of our A. Okay. Now, this is the our A. So what are the various values of the forces which are acting? So there is one of the force here. It is acting. There is no frictional force. Okay. We call this as to be our F. Now there would be a force of gravity in the downward direction, and there would be a normal reaction from the surface itself. It would be in the upward direction due to interaction between A and B. So A would be hitting B in this direction. So consequently, B would be hitting A towards the left side. So this is the force due to, or we can say that force of interaction between A and B. Let's denote it by small f. Now this is our normal reaction. This would be our mg. Okay. Now this would be total mass is not 2m but 3m. M plus m, that means 3m. Okay, this is the case. Now if we see about the vertical direction, since in the vertical direction, if we apply our Newton's law, F net in the y direction, this would be equals to mass into acceleration in y direction. But there is no acceleration in the y direction. That means we can say that net force in the y direction on each and every block, here we have defined just for A, it would be equals to 0. That means A is the correct option, but we need to find what is the false statement. So this cannot be the option. Now the net force on A is equals to F divided by 3. Now there would be only horizontal force. What would be the value of the net force? We say that F net in the horizontal direction, okay, in the x direction, summation of all forces, it would be equals to mass into acceleration in the x direction. What is the mass of A? It is equals to m. What is our acceleration in the x direction? We have just calculated F divided by 3m. So the net force in the x direction, this would be equals to F divided by 3. So this is the only force which would be existing for the A, net force. It is F divided by 3m. Here it is also given. So this cannot be the option because we need to find the false statement. Now the acceleration of block C is F divided by 3m. This is again a true statement. Why? Because each and every block would be moving with the same acceleration. They would be moving together. So this is also a correct statement. Okay, so this cannot be our option. So the option would be the D option. If we can just check it. So the force of interaction between A and B is equals to F divided by 3. That means we need to find what is the value of this small f, which is the force of interaction between A and B. Now in this expression itself, we have calculated the net force. Now what would be the net force in terms of this value? So it would be F minus of small f. So it would be capital F minus of small f. This value would be equals to F divided by 3. Now if we solve this, then a small f value would turn out to be 2 times capital F divided by 3. Now what is given? We have been given that it is equals to F divided by 3. That means it is a wrong statement and we need to find the wrong statement. So the correct option is just the D option. Hope you understood this solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.